Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play online with friends in FC26. Alright, let's begin. Before you can play with friends, you first need to add them to your friends list. From the main menu, press R2 on PlayStation, or right trigger on Xbox to open the EA Connect menu. Now move over to Player Search and type in your friend's EA ID. Send the friend request and wait for them to accept. Once the request is accepted, you are ready to play together. Now let's go over the game modes where you can play with friends. The first option is Online Friendlies. From the main menu, select Online Friendlies and create a new friendly match. After that, invite your friend and start the match. Another option is Co-op Seasons. From the main menu, select Co-op Seasons, create a new season, and invite your friend to join your team. You can also play together in Ultimate Team. Enter Ultimate Team. Go to the Play section and choose from available modes like Rush and other co-op experiences where friends can team up. So that's basically how you can play online with friends in FC26. That's it for this video. Thanks.